we earlier had a down move and then an up move again, but then the market made another push downwards, then another pullback, which we can say that this is our resistance, but then the market didn't push above resistance. It dropped again, coming back to this support level, and now we can call this a head and shoulder pattern, and I can label this as the head, which is H, and we can call this our right shoulder RS, and this our left shoulder LS. After the market retested this support level, it gave us a push to the upside, and then we had a retest. Now after this retest, we had a series of reversal candlesticks like the hammer candlesticks, and then we have a push to the upside, and then we had a pullback and a little consolidation, and then another push up. If you check the chart well, you can see a pin bar formed at this resistance, and after the pin bar formed, we had a really down move again, and then market pushed to the upside and then to the downside again. We can see that price is now resting at this daily support which we earlier had, and then after touching this support, price pushed up again, and then we had a series of movements, a double top, then down market. I'll draw this quickly. If you take a look at this chart well, you will discover that we have a bullish trend line here. If I should draw my bullish trend line using this bullish support from this level where it earlier gave us inverse head and shoulder pattern, and we connect it to this bullish support, which is BS, bullish support BS. Continuously market came back to this bullish support and then began to give us an up move again. If you check the chart well, you will see that price came back down again to this bullish support before going up. This bullish support proved to be relevant for traders because if you switch to the daily time frame, you will discover that the market is in an uptrend and you would not want to trade against the trend because you might get stopped out and your stop loss might get hit. So what you do is you trade with the trend, and by so doing you will get an upper hand with the market. Now quickly we will draw what happened in the 4-hour time frame. Now in the 4-hour time frame, we had a bullish move, and then we have the double top at this level, which I believe was a resistance, and then we had a drop, pullback of this resistance, and then the market dropped sharply again. Then we had series of reversal candlesticks around this support level. After it gave us a reversal candlesticks, we saw that price pushed to the upside, going back to this resistance, and by doing this, price pushed sharply down again and then back up to that resistance again, giving us a double top. Price dropped down again and then went back to that same resistance, giving us a triple top. Now we will say that this is a very strong resistance level. After giving us a touch at this resistance, price pushed down below this point. As you all know, the market moves in swings, and by so doing it gave us an upswing again as our pullback, had a down move again and an up move again to this point. Now the market is moving on the 4-hour chart. The market is pushing down after the down move. We had consolidation at this zone. So looking at this chart, you will discover that we had a bearish support level at this zone, trying to decide whether to push up or to continue going down. But remember, on our daily time frame, the chart is on a bullish trend. So after this bearish channel, this consolidation, you should expect a reversal signal, a bullish reversal signal. And if you check well, you will discover that we had a bullish reversal signal at this support level. Exactly, we had the spinning top and we had the pin bar candlestick pattern. After it gave us the bullish signal, we had a push to the upside and the retest. And if we should draw our support and resistance level, we can say this is a level that price pulled back to after the retest. On the daily, our chart is still bullish, so we expect another push up after this retest, and we did. We had another push to the upside. So looking at this chart, you will discover that we now have ourselves, we probably have ourselves the Elliott wave pattern. We can call these our first wave, and we can call these the retest will be our second wave, which is our pullback, which is usually in the A, B, C reversal pattern. And then we have our third wave to the upside. If you check the chart well again, you will discover that we had another retest and then push up, giving us the fifth wave. Remember, this is our fourth wave, our second pullback. So as a price action trader, if you discover that price has given you the Elliott wave pattern, the first, second, third, fourth and fifth wave pattern, you should watch out for another bearish move. If you check our 4-hour chart well, you will discover that after touching this top, we had a reversal pattern, we had the pin bar, we had the doji, and after that market dropped slightly and then went back up, giving us a double top pattern. And then after that, price dropped down sharply, then consolidated, then up again, down, then we had this move like this. Remember, we previously analyzed the market on the daily chart and we discovered that the overall trend is bullish. Now going back to the 4-hour chart, we had a bearish channel, a consolidation, and an up move, giving us the 5-wave pattern. So now if you check, you will discover that this bearish channel happened exactly at this point, to be precise, and then this Elliott wave, 5-wave Elliott pattern was from this point to this point. So then this bearish move is, it will be from this point to this point. So now this is how we analyze the market using multiple time frames. From the daily, you go back to the small time frames to get better entries. One thing you should always watch out for is your reversal signals, your candlestick reversal signals, chart patterns. A lot of things are happening on this chart that if you study them well, you will get nice and trade entries. Thank you for watching. Click the bell icon so that you will be notified each time I upload a new video. See you soon.